Outstanding design defines the 2013 Toyota Prius C. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.